Amidst all the controversy surrounding the IPL, the Supreme Court turned down a petition to ban IPL. But at the same time, the Apex Court pulled up BCCI for allowing spot-fixing charges to malign the gentleman's game. Suchetna Ray joins in with the latest on that. Suchetna, take it away.
Nisha, while you and I can keep watching the next 4 matches of the IPL as the Supreme Court has refused to ban the Indian Premier League, but the Apex Court did pull up the BCCI for allowing spot fixing to malign the gentleman's game. In fact, the Supreme Court has observed that it is up to BCCI, the cricket control organization in India, to ensure that such charges do not surface in future, because it has also observed that this is a game which is being played for the last 125 years. So therefore, the reputation and the maintenance of this reputation is up to BCCI, and therefore it has asked a one-member committee of BCCI to submit a report on these charges of spot fixing within the next 15 days, and has also directed BCCI to take appropriate action not only against players but, if found guilty, as teams as well. In fact, the Supreme Court has also directed BCCI to ensure that nobody gets away in this entire spot fixing controversy. We have to remember that a petition was filed at the Supreme Court requesting a ban on IPL, the next 4 matches as well as any future seasons of it, and also it sought that an SIT be appointed for probing this entire match fixing controversy. The Supreme Court as of now has said that it will wait for that one-member committee to file its report and only then take a call on whether a special investigative team is at all necessary in this entire mess.
All right, Suchetna, thanks for all the latest from that side. And with the IPL spot-fixing scandal refusing to die down, Law Minister Kapil Sibal has suggested introduction of a legislation to curb the menace of betting and other illegal activities in the country's sports arenas.
ये तो हमारी जो सोच है, ये स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री के साथ हम मिलजुल कर इसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे कि एक कानून होना चाहिए जिसमें मैच फिक्सिंग एक अपराध होना चाहिए, एक क्रिमिनल अपराध होना चाहिए, जो आज के दिन नहीं है। तो उसका कैसे करना है, किस तरह से अपराध को या तो आईपीसी में लाना है या एक अलग कानून बनाना है, उसके बारे में हम चर्चा करेंगे और फिर जो भी निर्णय होगा आपको बताएंगे।